One, two, three, four. Those vegan guys. I thank you.
Do you miss a fried egg butty?
I do. Well, I don't actually.
Well, I really missed a fried egg butty until very recently. So I'm going to show you a trick with tofu. Now this is the tofu that we get from Wingyet, £1.30 for 3 big slabs, okay? Get rid of that. 2 of those slabs are in our TOFUTURE Press. None of these people are paying us. The last piece, I've just squozen them by hand and I've put in a bit of paper towel, and that's all I want to do with it because I want to keep it quite moist. And I'm going to cut this into slices, let's say. So there's our slices. And then all you're going to do is, I've got a nice mixture there of black salt, Carla Namac, and we just mix that together so you get a nice eggy yellow powder, because Carla Namac gives you that lovely sulphur, salty flavour, and of course the turmeric is your colour. And then all we do is we sprinkle it on our pieces, rub it in with our fingers, leave it for a good 5 minutes, come back and show you it rest. So I've got some hot oil in the frying pan, and these have been just sat sitting for about 5 minutes just to get all that Carla Namac, don't forget, which is the black salt you can get from most Asian shops, but it's pink, and turmeric for colour on both sides. Get them in your frying pan, fry until crispy on both sides. We're going to have this on a white muffin in a minute, and you'll be very pleased to have the flavour of fried egg without any cruelty at all. I thank you. It's a ceramic pan and it's stained, don't judge us. Aye, if you're watching this, you've got to the end of our video, so well done for that. And we appreciate you watching. We'd love it if you liked this video, shared it with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel, and
Click the bell for notifications.
And that way you find out about all our future videos. And there's a lot coming, honey, let me tell you.